can't stand it anymore. The shop is getting way too cluttered. So today's project is going to finish putting all the joists in and flooring for the loft, second floor. We're going to have ultimately a garage elevator over there, and already have the pull down stairs set up right there, framed out. Just got to finish these couple sections, and yeah, we're going to get all that stuff out of there and start wrenching. Already got everything all set up. We've already got all the lumber here. It's in the middle of rainy season here, so got tarps on everything in case we get caught in a rainstorm. Put a little lean-to over the edge of the garage so that I could use this, make this the cutting station so we weren't inside the garage. And hey, here's a little spoiler. Check out those tires. Those are the 10 lug super singles off a semi. It's going to be for the rat rod project, which is kind of why we're doing this. Don't have enough room to have all the equipment and space to work. So powder coating stuff, the shelves, some of the equipment that's not going to be used regularly, like the bead roller, stuff like that, it's going to go up the elevator and get stored upstairs. So yeah, stay tuned. Today's going to be getting that done, and then tomorrow I plan on getting some stuff put up there and working on building that lift. So okay, we got some of the joists up, the cross pieces in. So next step is we're going to just take a break here for a minute. Next step is going to be putting the bunch of 2x4s and 2x6s up there to make some planks to walk on, and then we're going to do our uprights. Get all of our uprights. It's going to go from here up to the joists up top there. Okay, next morning. Got a pretty good start on this yesterday. I know you can't see much, but I'll get some video upstairs here in a sec. Actually, let's just take up there right now. See, this is why I gotta do something with the garage. Look at that. Too much stuff in here. There we go. So basically, this is 8 foot wide, be about 6 foot in the center, and the walls will be just about 4 foot roughly. Still got to put in some pieces from there to there, and then from there down, at least from here to here, and then some cross pieces up at the top. So we laid some planks down so we could walk around up here, and then we started cutting out the cross pieces there yesterday. That's pretty much holding everything now. Probably throw in a couple extra screws on either side. But yeah, gonna have a floor in here today. Okay, so got most of that done, and the floor's in. Got a bunch of cross braces. Let's go up and take a look. And I got a bunch of stuff packed in here already. So I got the cross braces here on the existing. I'm going to, on this last one, it's going to go straight up, so this will be a flat deck. But anyway, there we go. There's our room over the garage. Still got to finish putting flooring here and frame all that out and put some flooring in there. But no, like I said, it's about 6 feet tall in the center. So That's me standing up. Well, it's not 6 feet, it's more like 5'5", 5'6", something like that. So what I'm going to do is just use this stool here, and then when I got to come up here to get, and right there's where the lift is going to be. So I got a bunch of framing to do in here, transfer that weight down to that wall, and to get that installed. Here's a view from the other way. There's the attic. I'm going to put a door in there for winter time so heat doesn't just roll in there. And then, yeah, we'll maybe get some insulation in here and stuff like that. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.